Good morning.
Good morning, Miss.
Okay, can you hear me?
Yes, Miss.
Please type your attendance. Don't forget to type your attendance, okay? Did you find out more examples for homonyms?
Yes, Miss.
Yes. Okay, wait, I will ask. Okay. Please say one example.
Miss, I say.
Okay, say.
Bark.
Bark. Okay, what's the meaning of bark?
Tree's outer layer and the sound of a dog makes.
Yes, very good. Tree's outer layer and a sound of a dog that make, isn't it? Then any other words for example?
Bat.
Bat. Okay. What are
An
its meaning?
a ball and a nocturnal flying mammal.
Yes. A fly and a cricket bat, isn't it? Okay. Anyone? Any other?
March. March.
Match. What's the meaning of?
Two pair like items.
Yes.
And a stick taking a flame.
Yes, very good.
Miss Rock.
Rope.
A genre of music and a stone.
Yes, rock. Anybody? Any other? Hannah, very good. Any other?
Morning, Miss.
Good morning.
Lamb.
All of you, please turn on your videos. Lamb. Lamb. Spelling L-A-M-B, L-A-M-P. There are difference, okay? Spelling is different.
Miss, I know.
Okay, Edwin, you can say. Once more. Okay, what's the meaning of that?
Body part division of a company.
Okay. Very good. Any other? Lakshmi Priya?
Patient.
Patient.
One who becomes sick and
Yes.
then peace.
Okay. Okay, these are examples for homonyms. Homonyms means words with the same spelling and different meanings. Is it clear? Same spelling but have different meanings. Here you can see some examples for homonyms. Okay. First one is clip. Clip. What are the meanings of clip?
It's a letter.
Clip. What's the meaning of clip? Paper. Yes, paper clip. Isn't it? We used to, a device used to hold things. Paper clips like that. Okay. Then What's another meaning of clip? Clip. Short video. A clip. Short video. We can say clip, isn't it? Then there is also one meaning for clip, that means to cut. To cut. Three meanings are there: to cut, a short video, or a device used to hold things. Okay. Is it clear? Three meanings for the same word. You can write. What?
Miss. But
No need to write that. If you want the meaning, did you want the meaning? You can, if you want, you can write it in your notebook. Okay. Can I repeat the meaning? Clip. To cut. First meaning to cut. Okay, now you can write the meanings. Take your notebook. Did you take your notebook? Yes, okay. Then you can write the meaning of clip. Clip. C-L-I-P, clip.
It's a fourth lesson.
Yes, you can write the title of the lesson and then you can write homonyms. Homonyms. Clip. Meaning to cut. First meaning to cut. Then second meaning, a device that grips and holds tightly. A device that grips and holds tightly. Then next meaning, short video. Short video. Okay. Is it okay? Did you write? Meaning of the word clip, to cut, or a device that grips and holds tightly, or short video. There are three meanings for the same word. Okay. Our next word is rose. Rose.
Rose. Rose.
Rose. R-O-S-E. Rose.
Rose.
What will be the meaning of rose? Different meanings.
A flower.
Yes, a flower. Then
A color.
yes,
A color.
a color. a color. Then there is also another meaning for rose. What will be the meaning? Past tense of rise. Rise, okay? Sunrise, isn't it? Rise. Past tense of rise is rose. Is it clear? Can we move to the next one? Yes. Next one. What is the next word? Address. Address. What may be the meaning of address? What? Muhammad, you can say. What may be the meaning of address?
A detail of a house.
Yes, address of a house is the particular of the place where someone lives. Okay, you can write there. Then to speak to. Address someone means speak to. There are two meanings. One is a person's address, then to speak. Address someone. Okay, you can write there. The particulars of the place where someone lives. The particulars of the place where someone lives, or an organization situated. Okay. Then next meaning, speak to. Speak to. First meaning, the particulars of the place where someone lives or an organization situated. Next meaning, speak to. Is it clear? These are the two meanings of the same word address. So we can say that address is an example for homonym. Is it clear? Yes. Then next one, right.
Miss right എന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ ഒരെണ്ണം ശരി എന്ന് അർത്ഥം വരും.
Yes.
പിന്നെ ഒരെണ്ണം വലതെന്ന് അർത്ഥം.
Yes. One is side, okay? Another one is true. You can write there. True or correct. True or correct as a fact. True or correct as a fact. One meaning. Next meaning, side or direction. Side or direction. Then we can say one more meaning, morally good. True means, right means morally good. Morally good. Okay. Shall we move to the next one? What is the next word? Next word is drop. Drop. Next word.
A thing that
Yes. Water drops. Yes. Then one more meaning is there. Drop.
Down drop down.
Yes. Drop down. You can write. Please wait. Okay. Drop meaning to fall. To fall. Or to allow something to fall. Allow something something to fall. Next meaning, first meaning to fall or allow something to fall. Next meaning is small amount of liquid. Small amount of liquid. Okay, that means water, small amount of liquid water drops like that. Okay, first meaning to fall or to allow something to fall. Then next one, small amount of liquid. Is it clear? Yes. Next one, spring.
Spring എന്ന് പറയുന്ന ഒരു സീസൺ ആണ്.
Yes.
പിന്നെ ഈ സ്പ്രിംഗ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്
spring. Move or jump suddenly, isn't it? Spring, like spring. Yes. Spring meaning you can write there. First one, please wait. The season after winter. The season after winter and before summer. Okay. First meaning is the season after winter and before summer. Next one, move or jump. Move or jump suddenly. Move or jump suddenly or rapidly. Rapidly upwards or forwards. First meaning the season after winter and before summer. Next one, move or jump suddenly or rapidly upwards or forwards. Is it clear? Yes. Shall I stop share screen? Did you write this? Yes or no? Grace, did you write? Yes. Muhammad and Abel? Please turn on your videos. Okay.
Finish.
Did you write? Yes, finish. I'm going to stop share. Okay, now you got the meanings of these words. Okay, then what's the question here? Now make two sentences with each of these words to bring out the different meanings. Now your duty is to make sentences. Make sentences using these words. You can make sentences using clip, rose, address, write, drop, and spring. Two sentences. Make two sentences using the word clip, then make two sentences using the word rose, likewise, okay? Can you say an example for that? A sentence using the word clip. Now let's make a discussion on that. Okay, clip. Could you please give me a paper clip? Isn't it? This is a sentence, isn't it? Like that you can make sentences. Okay? This is a homework for you. You should write two sentences using these words. Okay? Don't forget. This is a homework. Make two sentences with each of these words to bring out their different meanings.
Miss, clip
You can make two sentences. Two sentences. You can take any meaning. Okay?
If you meaning
two. You should make two sentences. Two sentences for clip, two sentences for rose, two sentences for address, like that. Okay? This is your homework. Okay. Then we are moving to next activity, listening. Listening. Now you should take page number 103. 103. Take page number 103. Okay, did you take? Yes. Now, I will read. Please listen carefully. You can see Kathy walks again. Page number 103. Abel, Shahana, please turn on your videos. All of you, please turn on your videos. Okay. Please listen carefully. Page number 103. For some time, dinner time became quite exciting when nobody could tell exactly what any dish on the table was made of. After a while, Kathy grew wiser. She ceased teasing Debbie to try new things, and the Carr family went back to plain and boiled food. But then another series of experiments began. Kathy got hold of a book, The Stomach, and was seized with a rage for wholesome food. She made Clover and the other children give up sugar, butter, gravy, pudding sauce, buckwheat cakes, pies, and almost everything else that they particularly liked. Boiled rice seemed to her the most sensible dessert. She kept the family on it until finally John and Dory started a rebellion and Dr. Carr was forced to intervene. This is the paragraph. Now your duty is listen to your teacher read out another extract from what Kathy did. Each of the statements given below has an incorrect word. Strike out that word and write the correct one on the blank. Yes. Here you have some sentences, 6 sentences. What's your duty? To find out which is the mistaken, which is the incorrect word.
Miss, stuck.
Who is that?
Able be no, Miss stuck. Voice cut down.
എല്ലാവർക്കും ആ പ്രശ്നമുണ്ടോ?
No, Miss.
No. Okay, Abel Raj will be your network problem. Okay. Yes. Then first sentence, everybody could tell exactly what any dish on the table was made of. There is a mistake in that sentence. What is that mistake? Everybody could tell exactly what any dish on the table was made of.
Miss, nobody.
Yes, nobody. You can underline the word everybody. First, you underline the word everybody. That is the incorrect word. Angel, please underline the word everybody. Then, what is the correct word there?
Nobody.
Yes, nobody. You can write in that gap, nobody. Nobody. Okay. Next one. After a while, Clover grew wiser.
Clover alla Miss Kathiyane.
Yes, very good. You can underline the word clover. Please underline the word clover. Then, what will be the correct answer?
Kathy.
Kathy. Okay. You can write Kathy. Next one. Another series of experiments stopped.
Miss Vigayana stopped alla.
Began. Yes, very good. Began. You can underline the word stopped. Okay. Please underline the word stopped. Then write there began. B-E-G-A-N. Okay. Next one. Kathy got hold of a
Magazine alla.
not magazine. Yes, book.
Book.
Miss, second and third one കൂടി പറയൂ.
Okay. You can write there book. Book.
Miss, second and third one കൂടി പറയൂ.
Second one, Kathy. K-A-T-Y. Okay. Fifth one, she made Clover and the other children to give up salt.
Miss, third one കൂടി പറയൂ.
Sugar ആണ് Miss. Salt alla sugar.
Yes. You can write sugar. Sugar.
Miss, ആ സെന്റൻസിന്റെ കൂടെ കുറച്ചും കൂടെ എഴുതി വെച്ചിട്ടുണ്ട്. ഷുഗർ, ബട്ടർ, ഗ്യാസ്.
No need to write that. You should write sugar. Okay.
മിസ്, തേർഡ് വൺ ഒന്നുകൂടി പറയൂ.
Third one, began. Okay. Next one, last one. Dr. Carr was happy to intervene.
Happy alla forced ആണ്.
Yes.
And right.
Happy alla forced.
Forced. Forced. F-O-R-C-E-D. Forced. Dr. Carr was forced to intervene. Okay. Is it clear? First one, nobody. Second one, Kathy. Third one, began. Fourth one, book. And fifth one, sugar. Last one, forced. Okay, then there is one more activity for you, writing. Imagine you are Kathy. You decided to write a first person account about how you managed to stand up from your chair and walk again. You may include these details. Okay. Here you should write a first person account. You should imagine that you are Kathy and you should explain how you felt after the accident. You should explain about the accident, then how your family members. You should imagine that you are Kathy and how your family members helped. What was their reactions? Then how you made up your mind to walk again. Yes, how she changed, how you are Kathy now. So how you changed your mind to walk again. Then last one, the surprise they arranged for you. The surprise, what is that is the about the party. You should write about the party. Imagine that you are Kathy and you should write a first person account. Okay. Now I will give the answer. You have the homework. Find make sentences using homonyms. Okay. This answer I will give. Okay. Okay. Now I am going to wind up the class. Okay. Please study well. Study well for the periodic examination. Okay.
Okay, miss.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you,
miss.
miss.
Thank you. Bye. Bye.
Bye, miss.